day, Sir, Madam. I'm Audrey Olivares, Filipino. I'm single, I'm 33 years old, and my religion is Roman Catholic. I have 2 sisters, and I'm the youngest in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Olivares. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, I'm honest, loyal, and hardworking.
So can you tell us the proper in how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, I can play with them and treat them as my real and true nephews and nieces. And give vitamins and take a bath.
Okay, what if you committed mistakes? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, if I made the mistake, I will say sorry and promise them not to do it again.
Then what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, I promise that I will do my best to do my job and finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Audrey, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.